PRINCE2 Overview Program, Certification and Next Steps. This section helps learners understand what the PRINCE2 Foundation certification involves and how to prepare effectively. The foundation exam is all about testing your understanding of the core elements of PRINCE2, namely its principles, themes, processes, and key management products. Let's break down the syllabus focus. 1. 7 principles. You'll need to know what each principle means and how it is applied in real projects. 2.7 themes, or practices. These explain the why behind PRINCE2. You'll learn their purpose and how they support consistent project governance. 3.7 processes. Here, we look at what happens at each step of a project lifecycle, like initiation, planning, delivery, closure, etc. 4. Key management products. You must be familiar with key documents like the business case, PID, project initiation document, stage plans, and reports, what they are and what purpose they serve. Let's talk about the exam format, so you know exactly what to expect. The exam is of multiple choice type. This means each question will have 4 options and you'll have to pick the correct one. There are 60 questions and you'll get 60 minutes. That's 1 minute per question. The pass mark is 55%, which means you need to get at least 33 out of 60 questions correct. It is a closed book exam, so you cannot refer to any notes, books, or online material. And the best part? The exam is available in multiple languages, so you can choose the one you're most comfortable with. On the right side of the slide, you'll see a real-world example. Think of the exam like learning a new board game. The test doesn't ask if you can win the game, but it checks if you understand how to play correctly. The rules, the flow, and the moves. For preparation, don't just mug up. Understand the logic behind PRINCE2. Your Bible is the official manual. Do tons of practice questions. They show you how concepts are tested. Attending a formal training class is highly recommended, as they cover everything systematically and provide good practice. The practitioner exam is all about application. It's not about remembering definitions. It's about solving real-world project problems using PRINCE2. You'll get a detailed project scenario, and all questions will relate to it. It tests your judgment and your ability to tailor PRINCE2 effectively. It's open book, but that doesn't mean it's easy. You need to know where to find information and how to apply it quickly. For practitioner, the case study is everything. Read it carefully. Understand the context. Don't just jump to questions. When answering first, apply the PRINCE2 principles. Then, think about the relevant theme or process. Use your manual smartly. It's a reference, not a textbook to read during the exam. Practice makes perfect for managing time and applying knowledge. Now that you've seen the overview, you might be wondering, what should I do next? This slide gives you a clear learning path to deepen your understanding and get fully prepared for certification. First step, deep dive into the official manual. The key resource here is Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2, the latest edition. Your action: read it completely. Don't skip. Focus on understanding how principles, themes, and processes work, and most importantly, how they are connected. Second step, enroll in an accredited training course. Choose a course from an Axelos accredited training organization, ATO. These courses are structured to cover the entire syllabus, offer expert guidance, and include practice exams that simulate the real certification test. Together, these steps will take you from beginner to certification ready. The image on the right shows a person at a crossroads, just like you might be feeling now. But with the right resources and course, your direction will be clear. Let's continue with more steps you can take after the overview. 3. Use online practice exam simulators. These are available on many platforms and are designed to mimic the actual exam. Your action: practice regularly to get familiar with the format, spot your weak areas, and improve your speed and accuracy. 4. Join study groups or forums. You can join LinkedIn groups, Reddit forums, or local study circles. The action here is to engage in discussions, talk about concepts, ask and answer questions. Teaching others helps reinforce your own learning. 5. Consider PRINCE2 Agile after Foundation. If your company uses Agile or is planning to, this is a great next step after Foundation. This certification helps bridge PRINCE2 with Agile methods, showing how both approaches can work together effectively. On the right, you see a real-world suggestion. After going through this overview, the next logical step is to get the official manual, read it over a few weeks, then join an ATO course. This combo, self-study plus formal course, gives the best results and sometimes even includes the exam voucher.